Why the law of attraction doesn't work for most people. That's what we're going to talk about on today's video. Welcome back to another video. My name is Dom and I help people to step into their truth and power. Think yourself thin. Think and be rich. If you can dream it, you can do it. Now, you've probably heard these before, and somewhere you may be thinking in the back of your mind that they sound like a sales pitch from a snake oil salesman, don't they? You might be also thinking things like, yeah, sure, I bet they worked for some of my friends, but it's never going to work for me. In all honesty, I thought myself as being unfit or fat. I went from rags to, well, earning a living, but not really riches. And if my dreams became a reality, I'd be on an island beach drinking a pina colada in the warm sun. Are statements like that running through your mind? You see, what's basically happening is that you're simply feeling stuck or frustrated with your situation or circumstances. Now, I know you've made the vision boards, you've applied biblical strategies, and you've probably watched the movie The Secret. But still, there's no return. It's all pain and no gain. It's all sowing, but not much reaping. So what gives? What is going on? What's up with the law of attraction or the law of sowing and reaping? Why aren't you attracting what you want? What is missing? Let me introduce you to another law, different from the law of attraction, called the law of resonance. The law of resonance is not the same as the law of attraction. Although they do work very closely together, they are actually partners with each other. But when the two partners get together in alignment, holy crap, man, what a difference this makes. So how do they partner? Well, the law of resonance actually creates the attraction in the law of attraction. Here's the thing. You can really want something all day long. But if you resonate with the belief, I don't deserve it, you can want that all day long, but you will never attract it to you. You have to change the underlying belief first. Then the law of attraction can begin to kick in. So what is resonance? Resonance is basically when two frequencies of the same vibe cross paths and come together and meet. Remember the days before digital dials on radios? We would typically have to turn a dial ever so slightly to tune in the radio station we wanted to listen to. So if our favorite radio station was 95.5 on the dial and we were tuned into 98.7, we wouldn't get the desired station or music we wanted to listen to. At worst, we would get static, and at best, we would get something different if it wasn't on 99.5. The same thing happens with you and your beliefs because you're also made up of frequencies. Say, what? Yes, it's true. You're made up of frequencies. Thanks to Albert Einstein, we know that everything is energy and matter. The flowers outside, the trees, the puppy or cat that you own, and you are actually made up of vibrating atoms that are, in fact, energy. Your emotions are also energy. Emotion is short for energy in motion. When we're emoting, we're demonstrating the energy going on from within. Simply put, energy is information that vibrates. That means everything about you, your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are revealing your vibrational 411 every moment, every second of the day. When your energy exchanges with other energy of the same vibe, this is called resonance, creating a match or attraction. This is similar to when we're finally able to dial into the frequency of the radio that we're really wanting to listen to. Resonance in a nutshell is like attracts like. But in order for this to be experienced, your beliefs must match the frequency. If you're not paying attention to what frequency you're dialing in, the modest wages and the beer gut or muffin top may only be in your future. Our minds are smart and sophisticated, and they will try all kinds of tricks to try and shortcut our results. They will actually even try to fake energy. You can't fake energy. It doesn't work. And if you seemingly think it does, you're going to discover that it requires a lot more effort because you're not using the natural forces of energy to help move you into momentum. You're actually forcing it. And because it's being forced, it's going to really never be sustainable long term. And it's not going to be enjoyable either. It's going to be a much more stressful experience. If you want serious change, and if you want to experience breakthrough, you can't fake it. These are universal laws that were created by God and enforced by the universe. You may be able to fool everybody else, but they know when you're faking it, and you can't fool them. So how do you do it then? You need to be present in your belief as if it already is. Now that's not faking it, because in fact, in the realm of the universe, it already is. But what if you're not at that frequency? Well, then you can change the channel. Just like the radio, you can tune into new thought patterns that support your ability to show up as that supercalifragilisticexpialidocious man or woman that you are. Hell yeah! This is the approach that forms the foundation of how I work with my clients one-on-one. We focus first on awareness of the underlying beliefs. Are they in tune or out of tune with what you want? Once we have awareness of where we are on the radio dial and where you want to be, we begin dialing in what we want. This phase is referred to as integration. During this phase, we begin to live into and become the person we desire to become. We're tuning into it. We're beginning to live into it. The last phase is referred to as being. We're locked in, we've got it. It doesn't require much thought or effort anymore because it's just now who you are. It's a part of who you are being. I've coached countless people through this process and I've got it down to a science. And so if you've been struggling with this, there is an opportunity to work with me one-on-one. However, I don't work with everybody. My time is limited and I only work with people who are sick and tired of being sick and tired and want to experience an up level or breakthrough or a real change. And so if this is something that you would like to have an opportunity to work with me on, I'm taking applications to work with just 3 people right now who need powerful change and are ready right now to make that happen. If that's you, simply click on the link in the description box or comments below to submit the online app. I'll be reviewing the apps later this week. And if you make the initial cut, you'll be hearing from me via email to schedule an initial interview to see if working one-on-one with each other would be the best option for you. So I've dropped the link in the comments and description box below. Check it out. And so I'm curious, have you ever heard of the law of resonance? What valuable nuggets of info are you taking away from this video today? Share them in the comments below. I want to be able to support and encourage you as you move forward on your journey in whatever way I can. Also, if you would like to pay it forward, share this video with just one other person who you think might gain something valuable from watching it. My goal is to get this information out to as many people as possible, and by paying it forward, you'll be really helping me to do that. And so until I connect with you again for my next video, stay well, stay healthy, and stay empowered.